Nice to see you again.
Good to see you.
Do come and sit down.
Thank you. I came up and introduced myself at the swearing of the new president the other day in anticipation of this visit.
Mr. Berry, I'm going to speak about 3 areas where we are lacking. We've always been neglected as far as railways is concerned. That is one of them. The second I'm going to talk about is there are many panchayats in the state which are not connected with any sort of banking facility. Thirdly, we have much what we require is telecommunication, mobile towers and areas for many parts of the state. So I've spoken to you about those 3.
Those came up in our meeting and are on our agenda to see where we can be of assistance. So that, if you like, established role of NITI, we are taking forward with your officials. I just wanted to, expand, as it were, the conversation.
These are 3 areas of demand
Right.
that I'd like to speak today.
Yes. Would you wish to elaborate on them, or because each of these a note or at least a description of the problem was?
We'll be giving you a detailed report on that.
Yes.
The areas where the railway connection should be there.
Right.
And of course, telecommunication and banking. And also our constant demand for special category status because of these almost annual calamities like floods and cyclones that we have. We deprive of financially and of infrastructure in these areas. So this is very important. Our demand, long-standing demand